Top 4 ways to get traffic. There are 4 ways that you guys can use. Some of them are free, some of them are not free, but you gotta understand that there is a way for everybody to make sure that you grow your business. And if you're able to use all of them together, well, man, you're going to grow your business tremendously. Let me go over those ways with you right now. Number 1 way, promoting and creating content. That's one of the best ways, because when you're able to create content that solves a problem, that is helping somebody, then you're getting true customers. And that's a skill. Like, not all the content of on the planet is able to do that. It's not just about posting mindless content. You got to be strategical about what kind of content you post. But when you're able to create content that solves a problem, all of a sudden you get customers, inbound traffic that is coming your way, and that are going to ask you to do business with you. So number 1 way, and that's a free way actually, free way, is content. Second way that you guys can use is the Dream 100. So what is the Dream 100? Dream 100 is a concept that was used a long time ago that basically goes back to understanding who are the people that are congregating your audience, who are the people that are leading the audience that you are looking for. Let's say your dream customers are entrepreneurs that are startups, okay? Look at the people that already congregate the audience of startup entrepreneurs. Those are your Dream 100. And your goal is going to build strategical relationship with those people by sharing with them value, by helping them out with some things that you see they can improve for free, really helping them and building that relationship in a genuine way. So when you guys need to promote each other products, you guys are going to be able to use that relationship to get more sales. That's way number 2. It's, you guys, again, no money, and that's a great way to build your business up to tremendous levels. Number 3 way that you can use to run traffic: affiliate marketing. That's an incredibly important thing to do. If you are, the best way to run traffic, and actually the best way to get traffic automatically, one of the best ways actually, is to have affiliates doing the works for you, because they are selling your products while you are doing other stuffs. And that's really great. What's important though that you need to have is that you need to have great affiliates. So what you also need to have with those affiliates is a training program, simple training program, to share them how they can best sell your products, what are the things that they need to say, what are the resources that they got, to make sure that you guys are able to maximize the amount of money that those people can make for you. You got to pay them well, by the way. The more you're going to pay those people, the more they're going to sell for you. But that's a great way to build your business. And from there, it's the kind of cash flow is exponential. It starts slowly, but again and again and again, it keeps growing. And at some point, it gets massive. So start building your affiliate base today. That's extremely important. Next one, and the one that everybody thinks that this is the only one, but this is not. As you guys can see, I just shared with you other ones. If you guys are excited about the list that I just shared with you, plus I got a bonus tip, make sure that you stay until the end and that you share this video with somebody that needs to hear this. The next way that everybody thinks is the only way, but it's not actually, as you guys just saw, is paid advertising. Paid advertising is one of the ways, is a great way, by the way, but the thing is, you got to understand that it fluctuates and it's a thing by its own. So oftentimes with like all the ways I just shared with you, you got to understand that you are maybe not going to be the person, and I recommend that you are not the person running all of them. If you are running ads, if you are looking for your Dream 100, bridging those relationships, if you are making affiliates, if you are creating content, maybe keep the building relationship parts and creating content on your own and delegate as many parts of the process as possible. But affiliate marketing and like handling all the paid advertising, I would recommend you guys to outsource it, because if not, you're going to have to, become a Renaissance man and learning everything about everything. And that's not going to help you out to become really that focused person, because people that know everything about and like that doesn't know a lot of things about a bit of everything, well, they don't get paid a lot. Those that are really focused and that know, like, that are kings in their crafts, those are the guys who get paid. So make sure that you delegate that. But this is a great way to build up stable income. When you're able to use advertising into a great way, in that you understand the ins and outs, you understand your audience and what kind of audiences you're going to advertise to. When you're able to do that, it gives you a stable cash flow. But the thing is, you got to keep paying for it. But it's a great way whenever, like, for example, whenever you are not promoting a product, you are not having like any affiliate marketing going on, not any promotions at the moment going on. Content is going to do that. But paid advertising, I would say, is like kind of a better way to, like, the more dollar you're going to put in, the more you know you're going to get a stable income. If you know your ads are proven and you know your marketing, you know the message that you need to promote, and you know your audience, you're going to get a more stable kind of income and revenue from this. Do you guys like this? I hope that you do, because hey guys, we're not finished. I got a tip for you guys that you need to always follow whenever you use one of those 4 traffic methods. So listen to this, it's extremely important. The bonus tip that I got for you is always convert the traffic into traffic that you own. I talked about it in the beginning of the video, but I cannot stress that enough. All the traffic ways that I just talked about will be paid, affiliate, Dream 100, content, all of those. Your goal is first not to make them buy your product, but to convert them into your email list, your email subscribers, text subscribers, messenger, something that you own and that you are able to send them a message and they get in direct communication with you. That's the most important thing, because if they stay into the other universe and you not bring them with you, what's going to happen is that if the platform that you are using in order to talk with them is broken, you are not going to be able to communicate with them. Let's say you are using paid advertising for an example. If for some reason Google ads or Facebook ads, you are not able to use them anymore because the cost is too high, it's broken, and for 1 or 2 months you are still figuring out, okay, well, how can I fix that to make sure it works again? You cannot access that customer base. Now you're in struggle. You do not have any source of revenue. Let's say you do not have any promotions going on at the moment, so your affiliates are not selling that many products. Well, you're in need to quickly build something up to create those affiliate sales. Go back and talk to every affiliate. Hey, like, we're promoting something up, and you do not have that access to that revenue anymore. You need to have to wait a bit of time, and sometimes the times is precious. So what's important to understand is that your first goal is to put those people that you earn into, okay, let me put you in the email list, let me put you in a newsletter, so I can make sure that whatever happens with all the ways I used to get traffic, I'm still able to communicate with you. I'm still able to talk with you, and whatever happens, whatever I got to do, I can still follow up with you. I can still put you in another funnel to get some money out of you to help you out. Because if you don't, you're going to have a problem of communication and you're not going to be able to get that cash.